Hello? It's snowing. I'm here at the... Papasok na ako balik sa Indian River. I'm coming in. Wait for me there. It's slippery. I'll drive you.
I think we get so mesmerized by the pretty snow, we lose the ability to drive. So it's probably a good thing
Yeah.
that things are shut
You're
down. Virginia Beach.
sa bahay? Okay. Sige. Just drive slow. Drive very slow. Your brake. Careful with your brakes. Meron na aksidente rito na daanan ko. Slippery. Okay? And then I'll drive you. Sige. Okay. Love you. Bye.